Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to uninstall Windows 11 25S2 securely. If the latest Windows 11 25S2 update is causing issues or slowing down your device, you can uninstall it and roll back to the previous version securely. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I keyboard shortcut. From the left hand sidebar, you have to choose the Windows Update option, and then you have to click on Update History option. Then you have to scroll down and choose Uninstall Updates under the related settings. This will show you a list of all recently installed updates. And then you have to find the feature update to Windows 11 version 25S2 and select it. After that, you have to click on the Uninstall option. Then you have to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the removal process. It's worth pointing out that if you recently installed the 25S2 update as a major version upgrade, there is another method. Just go back to the Settings app and then choose the System option in the left sidebar. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Recovery option. And under Recovery options, find the Go Back option and click on it. Then you have to choose a region for uninstalling, and then you have to follow the steps to restore the previous version of Windows. Once again, I would like to reiterate that this option is only available for a limited time after the update is installed. If too much time has already passed, the go back option might be grayed out or won't show up at all. Once the rollback is complete, your PC will restart and return to the previous version of Windows without deleting your personal files. However, it's a good idea to back up your important data before proceeding just to be safe. This is a pretty simple and effective way to uninstall Windows 11 25S2 and restore your system to a stable state. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.